KHON2 weather, Kamaka Pili.
Hello, everybody. Hopefully your weekend is going on a great note so far. We are seeing mostly dry conditions. However, taking a peek into tomorrow, it's the Hilo side of Hawaii Island where unfortunately we have showers looking to be likely throughout the day, only then to increase even more throughout tomorrow evening. Mostly cloudy skies is expected there, but elsewhere we're really just seeing scattered showers focused over some of those windward and Mauka sections. For tomorrow, our threats, we do have that small craft advisory for eastern waters up until at least tomorrow evening, but we also have again that coastal flood statement throughout tomorrow in through Monday. We do have the likelihood of some minor coastal flooding thanks to the high tide, which tomorrow will be around 3:37 p.m. in addition to the full moon that's going to be coming up in a day or so. In terms of the surf, flat to 2 footers up towards the north here on Oahu, 1 to 3 for the west, 2 to 4 for the south, and 3 to 5 footers expected across east-facing shores. Now the big thing is our drought conditions throughout these warm summer months. It only has increased yet again. We are now starting to see extreme, which is indicated by this red, residing on the island of Hawaii in that around Mauna Kea, Waimea area, where we have had some brush fires in the past, along with the island of Maui, which extreme drought conditions continue. But on all the islands, leeward sides, most of the islands are seeing some severe drought conditions indicated by the red. So we are going to be hoping for some shower activity. In the days ahead of us, not much is expected, especially throughout tomorrow. But into Monday, we may have an upper level disturbance, slight upper level disturbance, which could bring some instability, increasing some of those showers. But that really looks to be taking place during the midnight to the early morning hours, starting Sunday night and again Monday night into Tuesday morning. Aside from that, if we look at this windward shower model, we're really just seeing isolated scattered showers, but that starts to jump on Thursday. And that takes us back to the hurricane season and the opportunity for a tropical depression, or as of right now, a tropical cyclone to develop, potentially leading up to a depression level. And that looks to be arriving around Thursday into Friday. Again, keeping next weekend in terms of the forecast quite uncertain, as we're going to continue to see how this develops. Once this system does turn into a tropical depression, that's when the National Weather Service will begin to bring out more tropical tracks, potential tracks, and more information on these systems. So stay tuned with us. Aside from that, leading up to that point though, 89, 88 degrees looking to be the high. Winds start to weaken slightly Monday, but start to strengthen again to breezy conditions after.